Hi, this is Steve, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to hack the funnel hackers. And let's start off by explaining what I mean by that and why this might be useful to you. Let's say you're looking to create a lead capture page, or maybe a sales page, or even a complete marketing funnel. It's really useful to look and find the pages that are doing well in the search rankings and then clone those pages or create something similar. Now, Russel Brunson has a product called ClickFunnels, and he has a hackathon where they look to hack other people's funnels to do exactly what I'm talking about here. But this is a reverse psychology. What I'm going to show you is how you can hack the funnel hackers. So they do all the work and you get all the benefits. So let's get stuck straight in, and if you stick around to the end of the video, I'll give you an extra tip here as how you can extend this functionality for better search results when you're just generally searching on Google. So how do we do this? Well, we start off by going to the search box and you type site:/clickfunnels.com and hit enter. Now what this is going to do is it's going to bring up all of the websites hosted on the ClickFunnels domain. Now that's not a lot of use to us because we need more information. So this is where we're going to be able to search deeper using this Google functionality. So what we're going to do is, after we've done this, we're just going to put a space and we're going to search for a specific niche. Let's try a few examples. Let's try fitness as an example. Enter on the search bar, and now what we're going to find here is all of the ClickFunnels websites that are hosted talking about fitness. So here we can see the top result in the fitness category on ClickFunnels, Fitness Masterclass Series. So if we just right click and open that in a new tab, we can actually take a look at our webpage. Let's pick a couple of others here. Here's Mighty Mama Fitness. And we'll just open these. Now some of these websites might be actually dead sites, but most of these will actually be working in live. So here's a masterclass, and you can see they've got a pop overlay there for a subscription, and here's the Mighty Mama Fitness. So you can see how this might be useful to you. Let's come back to our search and let's change it from fitness. Let's look for a different niche. Maybe we can try travel. Obviously you can search for anything that you want, your specific niche, but I'm just going to do a couple of examples here to show you how this works. So here we're searching for the travel niche, and now here we can see here's travel fun, mother funnel, here's top 10 places to visit in Ireland, and so on and so forth. And you can just look through all of these, learn how to get paid to travel the world. So you get the idea as how this might work. Let's just do one more. Let's do maybe crypto is something that people might be interested in. So these are ClickFunnels sites talking about cryptocurrency, and here you can go and clone these funnels or just get some great ideas and inspiration for how you might build your funnels and your landing pages yourself. And below in the description below, you'll find a link to my suggested funnel builder that you use, which is a fantastic tool, and you can do all of this without the expense of ClickFunnels. So let me just give you this added tip that I promised you at the beginning. Let's take a standard sort of website. So for example, and this could be ClickFunnels of course, but I'm just going to show you on a website that just to generalize it in a more broader fashion. So this is bbc.com, which is the British Broadcasting Corporation, and if I search for site:/bbc.com, you can see every single page here that's listed on the bbc.com website, and you can see there 51.5 million results in that search term. So maybe we're interested in finding something very specific on the BBC website, just as we were on ClickFunnels a moment ago. Let's say, for example, we search for recipes. So we've got the same basic functionality as we did on ClickFunnels, but now we've got 62,400 results for recipes. Here's where we can extend this with what are called search operators. So an additional search operator might be, well, okay, let's just have a quick browse here. So in recipes, you can see here we've got food, we've got student food, we've got quick dinners, and we've got, for example, easy chicken, we've got cakes and bacon. What we can do here is we can actually remove certain things. So, for example, we go minus cakes. And now we'll have all of the BBC websites talking about recipes but not including cakes. And we can extend that further by going minus fish. And now this is all of the recipes that are not to do with cakes and not to do with fish. So it's a really cool feature using the Google search where you can hack the funnel hackers and build yourself better lead capture pages and funnels. And if you check down in the link below, you'll find the funnel builder that I use and recommend that is much cheaper than ClickFunnels and gives you the same functionality. Hopefully you found this useful, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks very much for watching.